I know when I bought my home, quite honestly, the company went out of business shortly thereafter. And there were some things that came up that they didn't point out that then, I wished I'd known. Welcome back. It's Mary Bartos, the Bartos Group of Premier Plus. And today we're super excited to talk about inspections. Now, you've just bought this house and you want to make sure that you don't get a house that's going to be a problem for you the day you close. So on our guest today is Joe, the Home Pro, and he's here to talk about what his company does to make sure that you know what you have in the house that you put that offer in on. So welcome, Joe.
Well, thanks so much for having me. It's been awesome to have this great partnership between our two companies, and This is great to come and talk to people about the home inspection process.
Well, it's super important because I know when I bought my home, quite honestly, the company went out of business shortly thereafter, and there were some things that came up that they didn't point out that then, I wished I'd known when I bought the house. Now, would it have changed my mind? I don't know at that point, but I was kind of shaking my head, like scratching it, going, what happened here? So tell us, Joe, a little bit about yourself, and then what kind of inspections should we get?
Yeah, so I'm originally from Cleveland, Ohio, born and raised. I moved here from Cincinnati about 12 years ago. Joe, the Home Pro, is 9 years old, and I've just been really excited to be down here. We've won some really great awards. I have an amazing team, 3 other inspectors, my office manager. It's just been awesome. So we cover all the way from Marco all the way up to Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte, and we're marching up towards the Tampa area later this year. So really excited about everything that we have going on.
Well, and you're really great. And so I'm glad to see your success. That's for sure. So tell me what, I call you, I've just bought this house. What kind of inspection should I get?
Yeah. So the biggest thing is people don't know what's really involved in an inspection. So I think for us, it's that education level of what is a general inspection? Well, it's your roof, it's your air conditioning, your electrical, your plumbing, your attic, your garage, windows, doors, pool equipment, kitchen, bedrooms, bathrooms. Like it's a very exhausting type of inspection where it really does cover the gamut. So we try to put people at ease of going, here's everything that we're going to be inspecting and covering for you. In addition to that, then we also talk about some of the other hot inspection items, which are mold and air quality, which living here in Southwest Florida, there's no way I would buy a home without doing a mold and air quality test. That's just me. But that's where we come in. There's samples that are taken, they get sent off to a lab, and 24 hours later, those come back. And then really the other hot topic in Southwest Florida right now, and really the whole state of Florida, is the insurance inspections. So we try to walk people through what the insurance inspections are, what they might need, and that they really need to consult their agent so we can do all those at the same time that we're there, thus creating really just an efficiency process for everyone involved. I always joke that it's not going to be us that holds up the sale of this home. So
no, you're usually pretty quick in getting scheduled and getting out there. I think we're going to talk about, and make sure you tune in to another episode. We're going to talk about specialty inspections and, this whole thing of insurance inspections. It's a real deal. It's a thing.
Yeah, it's not a joke. And if you're not aware of it, like I'm from Ohio, we don't have hurricanes up there. So I don't know what wind mitigation stuff is or 4-point inspections or any of the other stuff. So it's really, really important to consult with a local person that really understands what happens in the state of Florida.
I love that. So until next time, I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus and
Joe, the Home Pro.
We look forward to seeing you again.